ITER, International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor. This reactor is for producing energy from the fusion reaction from the deuterium and tritium isotopes of hydrogen. Deuterium is and tritium is this. These combine to form helium. Plus it's give one neutron plus energy. This energy is stored. How it is done? This is vessel. Here hydrogen, deuterium and tritium combines. This reaction takes place here. Atmosphere is plasma. This reaction takes place in plasma. Now what is plasma? Plasma is considered as the fourth state of matter. In a very super hot environment, the atoms lose electrons. So this atmosphere which has the electrons, this is called plasma. So in this gas which is plasma, this reaction takes place in a highly heated atmosphere. These are the walls of the vessels. So when this reaction takes place, energy is released. This energy is stored in walls of this reactor here, walls. Then the same process happened. Water, through this heat, water is heated which generates steam which moves the turbine, and then electricity is generated. So this is the concept of ITER. Fusion reaction takes place in the reactor where then the conventional process takes place of generating electricity. Now, what are the objectives of this ITER? First of all, to research in plasma. So therefore, many theories, technologies can be researched related to plasma research. Integration of technologies. Many different technologies are combined in this ITER. So how to integrate them is itself a challenge. So integration of different technologies to produce fusion energy. Integration of technologies is checked. Produce 500 megawatt of energy. And I have told you regarding plasma. So how the deuterium tritium plasma reacts. It is also an objective to check the safety of this device. This device is called tokamak. This ITER is a 7-member initiative. 7 members are India, China, Russia, USA, Japan and European Union. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nations, plus European Union has 27 members. 27 plus 5, 32. Then 1 Switzerland and 1 UK, 34. And 1 member is Korea. So plus 1 Korea. So it is 35 nation project. This project is in experimental stages and most probably the energy will be produced in 2035. Many nations are contributing various assemblies, various parts of this project. It is in France. And one objective is also that produce tritium Because the tritium supplies are very less across the world. Thank you.